What if you can create step-by-step guide or tutorials automatically in just one software only? Hi, I'm Tanya from ActivePresenter, and today I will bring a new approach to the way you are creating your how-to tutorials. For example, you need to give a guide on how to plant trees in Google Sheet. Normally, you could go back and forth, take a screenshot, and then come back, write some text, paste it, and then go to the next step. This does not even mention adding quotes or more. It's so time-consuming to write out every step. Meanwhile, earlier today, I just took under 1 minute to create this guide. It creates projects into slide bay for easier editing, like adding quotes, annotations, by using a free software called ActivePresenter. With ActivePresenter, I can create documentations like SOP, training materials, and how-to instruction. Let me show you how it works. You search for ActivePresenter, click the download page or find the link, I put it in the description, and choose the suitable format. I use Windows, so I download the latest version. We do some final touches and we are good to go. I will prepare my file as the materials to create documentation here. And back to the tool. As you can see, there are two options: record screen as video or record interactive simulations. Record simulation is used when you want to create step-by-step guide, having quotes, annotations created automatically for you. I can record screen, audio, or my voice at the same time. Then I perform normally when I do my work, and let the tool ActivePresenter work hard in silence. After finishing, I press Ctrl+N to stop recording. Then all the activities I have done are recorded and well presented in slide-based formats with quotes, annotation like this. I can make some edits if I want, like insert shape, arrows, but I think it is enough overall. Then I change slide name and description here to give more information and explanation in PDF file when exporting. I can export to PDF, maybe 2 slides per page. Choose to export with description I have done above, and let it appear on top. Then I select export image type like PNG or JPEG, but in this case I choose JPEG for optimal file size. That is the final look, clean, direct, and time-saving. However, if you need video formats, this tool got you covered. You select to export video by slide, by right-click, then to save slide as video, or export the whole tutorial into one video only is also fine. There are ways to go. That's what I like most about this tool. Many export formats to choose from. You can also export to MLS or web page to enable interactivity features. Users are forced to finish one action before moving to the next. This works perfectly when you need users to receive hand-on practice rather than just viewing around. That's it. I hope this video is useful for your next tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or drop us a comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.